Thanks to MINISO, I became a Zootopia citizen. Hello! It's been a while since I made a video here. If you're new here, hi, I'm Mridu. I'm a designer. I make videos about films, books, sometimes books, Disney, my travel, and a lot of magic. So MINISO launched a new collaboration with Disney. They're coming out with new Zootopia merch. I've been really excited since the time they had actually announced it on their Instagram, and luckily I was invited at the pop-up store opening. Store was inaugurated by the Bollywood celebrity Kritika Kharbanda. I don't know if you guys know her. She has come in movies like Houseful 4 and Shadi Mubarak. Or there was another movie. I'm going to put it over here because I'm not very sure.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
They also had some Stitch and Mickey Mouse merch which I didn't shoot, because I was like, let's just keep it to Zootopia and just make it Zootopia special and not any other merch or any other IP for that matter. They had like a lot of like plushies. I think Zootopia was completely fully in India. They have a lot of plushies. Most of the merch that we had in the pop-up store was majorly plushie, and they had all kinds of plushies. The jumbo sized plushies, which was like the life size. They also had small plushies. They also had some pillows which look like plushies. Then they also had nice little like bags which were also, they kind of look like plushies to me, and I was like, what is that? That is a rectangle thing, but it looks like plushie. Pop-up store in all felt really grand. It's really nicely like decorated. The way it is put up, the theming of it is excellent. The only thing I was a little disappointed, small tiny disappointment, was that I wanted a lot more merch. You know, a fan's heart is never full. They need more merch, and they always need more merch. We'll have to do with what we have. Anyway, we have 2 big packets, and I'm going to share everything that I got from the store. It's a little pricey, I would say. They're not too expensive, but if you like buy 2 or 3 things together, the price is gonna come up to a huge mark. The huge plushies would cost you 6,000, and small plushies would cost you like 1,000 to 2,500 in between. So if you're only there to get 1 plushie, then you're good. I feel 1 plushie is good enough, like a small plushie which I also got. I'm gonna share the prices and what I got as well with you. First thing that I got was this Nick Wilde plushie. Love, look at him, he's so cute. I wanted him to be like this one big, like I can use it later for my content, and I can make him walk and do things, and maybe he can talk and do something. Also, look at his shirt. It's just so cute with this cute little tie, and then his cute little tail and everything and all of that. It's just so cute. It's costed me around for 1,300. See, I told you, it's not that expensive. It's really soft. You can see the closer details of it. I really like him, and I'm glad that I have him, and I'm gonna add him to my collection. The second thing that I got, which I really, whenever I've been to like Disney, I've always wanted to buy it, but then it's always really expensive in Disneyland Paris or even in Disneyland US. So I thought, why not get it from MINISO, which was actually a lot more cheaper here, which is a cap. So this is when you can, if you are like cold, you can wear this, and the good thing about this is the ears move. Wow, look at that, look at that. Tadak, tadak. You can do it from here. So if you do tuck, 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 tuck. I love it so much. This is themed after Judy Hopps. and it's really soft. I love how soft it is. It's really sweet and soft. This costed me around this was for 2,100. In general, if I bought it at Disneyland Paris, it would have costed me around 3,500 or something. So yeah, it was a steal deal for me, honestly. The next is something that I'm really excited about, because this is something that we don't get in India, and every influencer or any creator that I've seen in US or internationally has always had these secret or blind blob boxes that they have, and they're always like, oh, you know, which one do I want and which one do I want to get and all of that. And I've always wanted to do that because I like the secrecy of not buying something that I want, but someone actually telling me what I can, or I'm leaving it to luck that I'm gonna get something random. So I really wanted to do something like that. There are 8 options that you can get. Can you see this? I'm gonna make a reel also of this first, and then I'm gonna come back and show you what I actually got. So be back. So I did the unboxing. I am going to pretend that I don't know what I have and I'm going to share it with you. Okay, so these are the 8 things that we have. I actually wanted the Island Adventurers, the first one, because they looked the cutest. So I opened the box and can you guess what I got? Yeah, Judy Hopps as French fries and Nick Wilde as ice cream. This is so cute. A plate which has a small spoon, plate with a small fork. I did not expect this to be this cute, even though I've seen them in real and like in the display. So I was like, yeah, but the plates make it cuter. Costed me 1,300, which I feel like is a good buy, honestly. It's actually a good buy. If you spend more than 2,000 rupees, you get a pin. There are 3 options that you can get the pin from. I actually took Nick Wilde because that's my favorite character, because he's amazing. It's also like a plushie. I'm telling you, MINISO is obsessed with plushies for Zootopia. They're obsessed with it. Good for us because it's like, oh, I can't stop. It's so soft. Oh my god. If you buy anything more than 5,000, you get like a 500 rupee off, 600 rupees off on your purchase. So I'm sure different stores will have different offers. Don't take my word for it. In Delhi this is happening, so if you are watching from the US or if you're watching from Australia or somewhere else, there will be like different options for you and different things, and I'm sure that you will have like a lot more merch or different merch and not the same merch that we were given. There was also a photo booth area where you could actually get photos. This was like airdropped as well, and you can also get like a life-size printed thingy also. I wanted to have like a memory thing, so I got this one with me. They were also having a small quiz and they were asking questions about Zootopia. Your girl did win something. I was expecting it to be little Zootopia themed or something, but it's okay, we got something. Something is better than nothing, right? So they gave me this cute little candle diffuser, and it's purple, so I like it. Here is a tester as well. Ooh, doesn't smell bad. It smells nice. You guys can't smell it. But yeah, it's not that bad. I was a little disappointed. I was like, I don't care about this, but yeah, it's not that bad. Let me just open it and see how it is. And here is the diffuser, and we also have a candle which looks very moldy. Okay, that's a little cheap of them to do. anyway, we're gonna use the diffuser, and candles also. A good smelling candle is always required. And that's about my haul. I hope you enjoyed. The store is open from 8th November to 7th December, and they are also opening up in Mumbai. So if you are from Mumbai, you can go. I'm gonna put the dates here on the screen. I'm also going to share for different countries as well towards the end. One slide I'm gonna put it if you are interested in going and checking out these pop-up stores. They're doing it across the globe, so it's time to celebrate Zootopia. Let me know if you guys are also going to go and watch the film, because I'm really excited. And yeah, let's meet in comments. Bye.